Welcome to the Physical Therapy Department that is located at B2, where we assist approximately 70 patients that have issues with mobility each day. We have a team of 6 physical therapists that treat clinical patients that consist of both hospital employees and external patients referred from various departments such as orthopedics, neurology, internal medicine, cardiology, pulmonology, intensive care, and the pediatrics department. Our exercise space consists of equipment such as walkway, bicycle for passive or active movements, pulleys, weights, exercise balls, resistance elastics, and other tools such as crutches, walkers, and walking sticks to help our patients become more mobile. We work with specialists, nurses, and family members to help our patients in the most effective and efficient manner so they can return home as soon as possible. Our team works every day with love and patience for the well-being of our patients.